convenience of using a voice command with Bixby extends to your home appliances. To use Bixby with your washer, you'll need to have your appliance paired with the SmartThings app on a Bixby-enabled smartphone. Make sure Smart Control is turned on. Also, make sure you already have Bixby enabled on your phone. You can check by pressing the Bixby button. If it's not already set up, your phone will briefly walk you through setting it up. If you need help pairing your washer to the SmartThings app, be sure to watch our video on that first. To use Bixby, first say, "Hi Bixby," to your phone. A screen will come up showing that Bixby is listening for a command. Try out a few commands like, "Start cycle on washer." If you don't specify which device you want to activate, Bixby may ask you to clarify. "Hi Bixby, pause cycle." Either tap washer on the screen or say, "Washer." If you want to cancel it altogether, say, "Hi Bixby, cancel wash cycle." Play around with Bixby and the SmartThings app to check out all your options for controlling your washer remotely.